Hey, are you wondering why you're not getting enough customers, enough sales into your courses, your coaching, your services, whatever it might be? Well, it's probably because your funnel looks like this. This is probably how you attract customers right now. This is how you get customers, right? You start with a lead magnet, right? You say, hey, watch this video, get this mini course, get this downloadable, this ebook. Sound familiar? Okay. And then you get them on your email list, right? And then you bombard them with email after email telling them, hey, I'm awesome. Check out this blog post. Check out this thing that I made. This is, my bio, all this kind of stuff. And then finally you send an email to, make an offer. You said, hey, here's an offer. Go to this page, buy my stuff. And then you wonder why you're not getting enough customers. Well, this doesn't work, okay? This is just really broken, okay? And you probably have some variation of this, maybe a couple other steps in between. But basically, the reason why this doesn't work is because you're not doing what's most important in any business. It doesn't matter what you do. And the most important thing is to build trust with your audience. You got to build that trust. You got to build that relationship. And you got to do it quickly. Otherwise, it's going to take you years to nurture that trust over email. So what I want to do is give you a gift. I want to share with you my method to build trust quickly with my audience so that they can know, like, and trust me quickly so that they can then make the decision to buy my products. I'm doing a live workshop that you can attend for free this week. So go ahead and register below. The link is below. And I'm going to walk you through this process of building trust with your audience and be able to convert them into buyers. And you can do this in a really, really automated fashion, meaning you're not going to put in a lot of time and effort. You're going to let the power of automation work for you to first qualify these leads, make sure that they're right for your business and right for your product and offer, and then the right people get in front of you before you start selling and before you start making an offer. I love this method because it's worked for me and my clients over the years, and it's just something that you can repeat over and over anytime you need an influx of sales. So if you're interested, I'll see you in the live workshop. Go ahead and click the link below. Can't wait to see you there. Take care.